Why is it that some men naturally attract a woman's respect, commitment, and emotional consistency, while others deal with breadcrumbing, confusion, and mixed signals? Two guys can be equally good looking, kind, and smart. One gets taken seriously, and the other one gets taken for granted. It's not luck, no be juju, my brother, and it's definitely not manipulating your way into a woman's heart. It all boils down to mental strength. Women respond differently to a man whose mind is strong. And by that, I don't mean a man who is emotionally shut down or trying to act as the hard guy. I mean a man who is grounded, trusts himself, knows his worth, and doesn't bend for approval. By the end of this video, you would understand exactly how to become that kind of man. If this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. My name is Wendyzeal. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know, my dear ones, thank you so much for always supporting me, for always tuning in when a new video drops. I really do appreciate you more than you ever think. So in this video, we're going to be talking about 3 powerful mindset shifts that will change the way you carry yourself in love and even in life. Because when your mind is strong, you don't need to beg or prove your worth. People can feel it. You're calm, confident, your energy sees it all. Let's get into it. Number one, speak less, feel more. Have you ever noticed how some guys don't say much, but women are drawn to them? And you're wondering, but this guy is not even talking. What is it with this guy that all these ladies are just hauling over him and crawling around him? It's the quiet confidence, the mindset. He's not trying to impress so much. And in not trying to impress, you become very impressive. For example, let's say you try to reach your girlfriend for maybe 3 hours or for the whole day or some days, and she didn't get to the phone, she didn't respond to you. And then days later, she replies with a text, "Oh, sorry, darling. I was caught up, I was distracted, had to handle this personal family matter. Speak soon." And then you, in response, what do? You go all in and you send her like 5, 6 paragraphs explaining how her absence in your life made you so disturbed. You were just so distracted. You couldn't focus on anything. You care so much about her. You were so worried. Now, this is not entirely a bad thing. It shows that you're kind and you truly care about this woman. But at the end of the day, it's going to come across as over explaining, as validation seeking. And honestly, once a woman feels that you do these things, her respect for you is going to drop. You see, because once she had respect for you drops, her love is going to equally drop. That's just the sad truth. So you don't need to over explain yourself. Over explaining is not going to get you anywhere. It's not going to make her intrigued by you. It's not going to make her fall in love with you the more. You don't need to talk too much. Less is more. Number two, hold your power. Don't spill your energy. This simply means not chasing, not overreaching, not allowing your emotional reaction pull you out of your body, not exerting yourself so much so that you lose your power and your energy. A man who has a strong mind doesn't give his power away the moment something shifts. Because you can be in a relationship and all of a sudden she begins to pull away. You didn't do anything, obviously, and you're wondering what's happening. The calls become lesser, the text messages, maybe she used to send you like 2, 3 messages in a day, it drops to one, and maybe nothing for like 2, 3 days, and you're wondering she's gradually pulling away. Now, a man with a strong mind, you don't just lose yourself and give away your energy just because she's pulling away. Especially when you know that it's not your making. Like, you don't do this baby anything. And normal, the owner the wrong package, now so it be. She can't they pull away. Now, you don't need to lose yourself in that instance. Because that is how you lose your respect. And when you stand your ground, you maintain your stand, you know who you are, you don't go crawling and begging and seeking validation, then that is when she truly respects you. And this is why when you ask someone who has just left a toxic relationship how they feel or how they felt while they were in that relationship, most times they will tell you, "I felt drained." Yes, because you feel drained by overexerting yourself, over explaining. Because when you're in a toxic dynamic, it's always like that. It drains you, it drains the life out of you. Because you keep explaining, you go just explain, tire because you don't even know what's happen. Babe, don't pull away. Or maybe it's even a woman who is in a relationship and the guy is just acting all cold and you don't even understand what's happening. And you begin to ask yourself questions. You begin to look at yourself. I mean, do is it me? What did I say? What did I do? All of that drains your energy, takes your energy away from you. And once your energy leaves your body, you lose respect. Now, what do you do instead? You Put your energy back into your body. Focus on yourself. You see, all of that time you're supposed to use in over texting, over explaining, chasing, and all of that, just channel it back into your life. Do the things that matter to you. Focus on yourself. Keep your energy intact in your body, and you will remain magnetic to women. Number three, you are the answer. Own it. Now, this is the truth. When a woman says she's confused, she's not. When she says she doesn't know what she wants out of the relationship, trust me, she knows what she wants. Because the moment you know, as a woman, the moment you see what you want, sometimes we make these calculations, we draw these conclusions before we even get close to the person. Once you see a man you love and he's just ticking off all the boxes, you're already building castle in your head. That is the way we are naturally. So when a woman tells you, I'm confused, I don't know what we're doing, let's just see how it goes, that's not a lie. She know what she did do. Maybe she just want to string you along and see if you're going to maybe get tired along the way and just drop off. Okay, because she knows exactly what she is doing. So don't fall for the lie. And you see, the thing is that sometimes in waiting for clarity, in waiting for answer, you kind of lose yourself. So don't lose yourself. Give yourself the answer. You are the clarity. One of the worst mistakes you can make in a relationship is to accept this answer. Let's just see how it goes. The truth, like I said, if a woman is telling you, let's see how it goes, she already knows how it's going. If it's ticking off the boxes for her, she knows. If it's not, she knows. All right. But the thing is, if you hang in there and at the end of the day, it turns out that you're not the one, what would you do? So the best thing to do in a situation like that is to let her be, like distance yourself, let her figure it out, and then come to you if she really wants to be with you. That way, you're going to save yourself the waste of time, resources, and even being unnecessarily emotionally attached. Don't carry on like you already know where you stand in her life, because you might think that she's the one because she's just everything you want in a woman. But what about her? What if she's not certain about the relationship, she's not sure of you, and then eventually discovers or figures out that it's not going the way you would want it to go? What becomes of you? Do you get? So shine your eye. This one a free advice. So take it to heart. I know what's even more powerful is that when you're mentally strong, you would never even be in a relationship where a woman is telling you, I don't know what I want. I don't know if I'm feeling this thing. You won't be in that kind of situation because you won't give her the chance to make you wait around for answers or for all of that validation. No, you're not seeking any validation. You know who you are, you know your worth, you're very confident in yourself. And if a woman is doing you like this, and you already see it, you won't even waste your time. You're going to move on. So you would never find yourself to start with in that kind of situation for you to not be waiting for answers for 6 months or for 1 year or for 2 years. No. You don't ask anybody what 1 plus 1 is because you already know the answer. Sometimes we ask questions that we already know the answer to because we are afraid to accept the outcome. We don't trust ourselves to see what is right in front of us. If you constantly keep questioning yourself, it's time to stop looking at her and look inwards. Look at yourself. Do you feel worthy? Do you feel valuable? Do you know what your boundaries are? Are you confident enough in yourself? The moment you recognize all of these things, you become mentally stronger and magnetic to women. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And if you want to really know what the behaviors that we women do when we are not really interested in a relationship, then check out this video. I'll see you there. Cheers.